Hello, coin people. This is Matthew with Elderstone Coins. Wanted to make a quick video on this 1901 Philadelphia Mint Morgan silver dollar that just came up for sale on eBay. The seller is asking $696 as I buy it now. The seller has 68 feedback, which is pretty low, and they do not accept returns. So the 1901 Philadelphia Mint is one of the tougher dates. It's a little tough in AU, but it's very, very tough in uncirculated. The jump from AU 58 to MS 60, I believe, is 1100 to 4400 or something along those lines. So it's a big jump from AU 58 to MS 60. This coin right here looks to be high grade AU. To me, it looks well detailed, but it looks cleaned. When I first zoomed in, though, I noticed that it doesn't look genuine, and here's why. The 9 on the date is off. So if you compare that to a genuine 1901, which is what we have here, here is the genuine date. Here is the date on the fake coin. So if you look at the 9 on the fake coin to the right is a lot thinner, and it just doesn't look right. It doesn't look the same as the one on the left. And we know the one on the left is a genuine coin. So there also appears to be some sort of metal between the 9 and the 0. And that could be some variety of the 1901 that I'm not familiar with. But more than likely it's just extra metal from the cast. So if we follow the stars around, they look a little bit rounded for this level of detail. You'd expect them to be a little bit sharper. The lettering looks good to me. As I got over here to the U, so these two U's in Unum have extra metal to the left of them. Like I said, it could be a variety that I'm unfamiliar with, but generally when you see that, it's because it's extra metal from the cast when it was created by the counterfeiters. So the hair above the ear also looks wrong. If you compare that to the genuine Morgan dollar, you'll see that the detail in the hair is very different. Look directly above the ear, and you'll see how the one on the left, which is the cast fake, has lines that are diagonal, whereas the one on the right has like rounded detail. Also, if you look on the left, you'll see that the ear lobe has extra metal there, and the one on the right, which is a genuine coin, does not. And that's a problem also. But the big issue with this 1901 is not the obverse, it's the reverse. So the reverse, if you are familiar, is actually a reverse of 1878. Now, there are multiple coins that have the reverse of 1878, but 1901 Philadelphia is not one of them. The reverse of 1878 is seen in the 1878 7-tail feather, 8-tail feather, 7/8 tail feather. It's also seen in a variety of the 1879S and a variety of the 1880CC. Both of those latter two coins are very desirable. Definitely not seen in the 1901 Philadelphia, though. So the person who created this fake didn't have a very good working knowledge of the Morgan Silver Dollar series. So the difference in the reverse of 1878 and the reverse of 1879 can be seen in the breast feathers and the arrow fletching. Sometimes people refer to it as the nocks. The parallel arrow, as you'll see in right here, center of the screen, the top arrow fletching is flat or parallel. Now the reverse of 1879, this area is at a diagonal towards the olive branch. So if we look at the two compared, you'll see the one on the left, that's the reverse of 1878, and the one on the right is a reverse of 1879, which is the correct genuine Morgan dollar on the right. The one on the left has the parallel arrow, as they call it, which is a reverse of 1878 and does not appear on the 1901 plane. The other difference is the breast feathers. You can see the difference there. So anyway, any other issues on the reverse here? You see this break in the cast here. That's not a die crack. That's a cast crack. And then you see another one here. But again, on this one, the lettering to me looks pretty good. They've gotten better. The fakers have gotten better at producing these fakes, because this lettering typically looks very ridiculous on fakes, and this looks pretty good. Other than the fact that they don't have a good working knowledge of the series, this is a pretty good fake. Anyway, wanted to make the video. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.